Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Robinhood Legend. Robinhood Legend is a premium feature offered by Robinhood that provides users with advanced trading tools and insights. To get started with Robinhood Legend, you need to have a Robinhood account and be a Gold member. First, log into your Robinhood account and navigate to the Settings page. From there, click on the Gold membership option and follow the prompts to upgrade your account. Once you have upgraded, you will have access to the Robinhood Legend features. The first feature of Robinhood Legend is the Level 2 market data. This provides users with real-time information about market activity, including bid and ask prices, trading volume, and order flow. To access this feature, navigate to the stock page of the company you are interested in and click on the Level 2 option. Another key feature of Robinhood Legend is the ability to set custom alerts. These alerts can be set up to notify you when certain market conditions are met, such as when a stock reaches a certain price or when there is a significant change in trading volume. To set up a custom alert, navigate to the stock page and click on the Alerts option. In addition to these features, Robinhood Legend also provides users with access to extended trading hours. This allows users to trade before and after the regular market hours, giving them more flexibility and control over their trading activities. To access extended trading hours, navigate to the Trade page and select the Extended Hours option. It is also important to note that Robinhood Legend is a premium feature that requires a monthly subscription fee. However, the advanced trading tools and insights provided by Robinhood Legend can be a valuable resource for serious traders and investors. In conclusion, using Robinhood Legend is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can gain access to advanced trading tools and insights that can help you make more informed investment decisions.